Hello guys and welcome to Mind Blowing, and this video will surely blow your mind. So before I start our video, let's get our stuff. So now that we have got our stuff, let us unbox it. So I've done the unboxing. Now let us see what all parts are inside. So first are the wheels. These are very strong wheels made of plastic to withstand all kinds of terrain, or as said in the box. Next is the charging plug. This charges the battery of the robot. Next is the 2-pin wire. Unlike the last wire I showed, this uses 2 pins to send signals from one place to another. After that are the wires. Actually, there were three wires and 3 sensors in the box. So this is called a 3-pin wire. It uses 3 cables to send signals from one place to another. After that is the auto shield. This blue color shield is actually the motor driver for the Arduino board under it. Next is the sensor, or as we say, the IR sensor. This sensor uses infrared rays to detect objects from any distance. After that, it's the SP Robotics, which is also the Arduino board. Now the next component are the motors. You can see this yellow color thing right here. This is called a DC motor, and there is the wheels connected to it. Now the battery. The blue color object you can see at the middle is the battery pack. Now the robot also has 3 sections. First is the top plate, where you can see the boards, the sensors, the wires, etc. Then is the middle plate, where you can see the battery pack. Then is the last plate, where you can see your motors and your wheels. After the 2-pin cable, this is the next thing. I don't know its name, but it is used to attach the face of a robot. So, this is the faceplate of the robot. If you want your robot to look cute, or if you want to have a face for a robot, you can put this thing. Next are the stickers, which are supposed to be put on the faceplate. You have to open the stickers, put the eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth correctly on the faceplate like this. Next are the nuts. These are M3 3mm nuts. It's from the kit, but it is also very small, so handle it carefully. After that, it's the Phillips star screws. These are screws used to put parts on the robot, like the sensor, the SP Robotics, and the auto board. That is the N3 x 15 screws. like these. These screws are smaller screws than the Phillips star screws. Last part of the whole kit is the M3 cross 50 screws. These are like gigantic screws which are used to put the three plates together at the same time. Now I've done with my reviewing. I apologize, but all the footage was deleted. So that's all for today's video, and let's meet again in the next video. Thank you.
By Mr. Mind. On Mind Blowing, meet you next time on this channel.